Anyways. Hey, good this morning. It's the morning. What time is it, Amber? It's... Let's see if I can see.
It's 8:56.
Will it pause my video? Oh. It's 8:56 in the morning. I already went to class and came back because he talked for 20 minutes and was like, okay, you can go. So here I am. And here's Amber. Can I turn the video? How do you do this? Okay, I guess I can't. Here's Amber studying for her history test because she doesn't know anything. Look. Can you guys make out with us?
Fuck you, Chelsea. I look like a crackhead.
Yeah, and here's a crackhead in her natural habitat. This is what they do.
At UNCP.
This is what crackheads
UNCP.
do. Let's just take a moment and like see life through the eyes of Amber.
Hi guys.
Do-do-do.
You're so fucking annoying, Chelsea. Oh my gosh.
Anyways, we miss our son, Smokey. I'm gonna get to see him today.
What is this YouTube video?
Anyways, catch us on our next vlog.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah. Click down below to, or where's the subscribe? Click on my forehead if you want to subscribe and like and share. What did I say?
Subscribe.
And comment below when done for a chance to win a pretty little gray cat. See you guys next week. Okay, Amber's ready. She's about to take her test. She about to get it done.
Get her done.
Like this video if you think Amber is gonna make... If Amber's gonna pass. I was gonna say 100, but you ain't gonna make 100.
Wow, fake friends. Keep my circle small.
You go pass.
Can't be trusted.
This is college attire. This is what Amber looks like on an average college day. Going to class. This is how she preps herself for the morning.
Yeah, I just like to listen to a little music, you know.
What are you listening to now?
Nothing.
You're not listening to anything?
No. I just put the headphone in, Chelsea. I didn't even have time to put the
Oh my gosh, I cannot.
Yeah, guys. So our giveaway is closed now.
For what?
So, yeah. Thanks everybody for all the
Did
support.
nobody win?
Thanks for all the support. Guys, so please pray for me. Like, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm just stupid.
Okay, you guys, I'm leaving my apartment.
Are you?
Closing the door. Here we go.
You literally.
We out here.
Awful, Chelsea.
We'll see if I can do, you know how they do this. Yeah, guys, so I'm just going to class. I have research statistics. It's
Listen to some Cardi B.
oh, now she's listening
we're
to
bad
now
bitches.
now she's finally listening to a song.
Okay. I feel bullied.
No.
Like the curry, something
Doing her thing. Oh, dang. Okay, so this is you walking to class. So I hope you enjoyed our what's the word I'm looking for? Our sad attempt at a vlog.
Sad. What do you mean?
Say goodbye.